Good morning, dear students. I am B.S. Nadia, lecturer in English in Suraj School, Mahendragarh. Dear student, in my previous YouTube video, I taught you how to write a notice, what's the proper format of a notice. And dear student, today I am going to teach you how to write an advertisement. Yes, advertisement writing. Yes, dear students. First of all, the question arises whether it is advertisement or it is advertisement. Dear students, in British language, it will be spoken as a advertisement. Advertisement. I mean to say, there is a stress on the word "wa." Advertisement. But in American English, it is spoken, its pronunciation is advertisement. Advertisement. The stress is there on the word advertisement. So this is the difference. So anyhow, an advertisement is a public announcement made through numerous modes like newspaper, magazine, radio, television or internet. What's a advertisement? Dear student, an advertisement is a public announcement. It is a public notice made through various type of modes, various type of mediums like newspaper, magazine, radio, television, internet, etc. So, dear students, advertisement play a very important role in our life. Advertisements can be seen everywhere. We see advertisements in the newspapers, magazines, television, or on the buses, trains, or on the both sides of the roads, or even to the walls of the houses which are visible to roads. So, hardly there is any place, any space left where there is no advertisements. So, dear students, thus we can't deny the importance of advertisements in our life. In the old time, I mean to say earlier, advertisements were used by the businessmen to promote their things, to promote their products. They used to tell the people about the quality of their projects through advertisements. But today, advertisements are used in every way, in every field, like education, medical, property, travels and tours, matrimonials, and what not. I mean to say, there is use of advertisements in every step of life. So, I mean to say, advertisements play a very significant role in our life. So, advertisements can be divided into two parts. Advertisements are of two types: classified advertisements and the second one is commercial advertisement. Yes, dear students, advertisements are of two types: classified advertisements and commercial advertisements. Commercial advertisements are also known as display advertisements. Display advertisement. So now the question arises, what are classified advertisements? So dear students, why they are called classified? They are called classified advertisements because they are divided into different classes, into different sections, into different categories. I will tell you later about all those categories. So, what type of points should we keep in mind while writing such kind of advertisements? So, first of all, the first and foremost important point is that don't cross the word limits. Yes, dear student, first of all, don't cross the word limit which is 50 words. You should write the advertisement in not more than 50 words. Otherwise, you will be punished in the form of deduction of marks. So, this is the first and foremost thing. And after that, the second one. This kind of advertisements should be formal in language. Formal in language. Yes. And the next one is a short and to the points, short and precise. Dear students, for your kind information, newspapers I mean to say that newspapers charge a great amount of money through writing such kind of advertisements. Such kind of advertisements are rated at a high money. So, dear student, you should write such kind of advertisement in short words or in short phrases, I mean to say. Because you know very well that advertisements are rated as per word in newspapers. So, I mean to say you should adopt the formula maximum information in minimum words. Yes, I mean to say maximum information in minimum words. While writing an advertisement, you should follow this formula: maximum information in minimum words. And dear student, then I have already told you that there should be formal language while writing such type of advertisement. I mean to say classified advertisements. So, and after writing an advertisement, you should put it in a box. Don't forget, please. After writing advertisement, you will put it in a box. And dear students, I have already told you that classified advertisements are further divided into different groups or class. So, dear student, classified advertisements. First one, situation vacant. Yes, situation vacant. Dear students, suppose you are running a school and you require a teacher. So, in such kind of condition, you have to write an advertisement in the newspapers under the heading situation vacant. The next one is situation wanted. Yes, situation wanted, it means if you are a teacher and you want to seek a job in a school, at that time you will try to publish a advertisement in the newspaper under the heading situation wanted. And the next one is accommodation wanted. Accommodation wanted, want to purchase an accommodation. And the next one is to let. To let, you know very well about this title. And the next one is for purchase, for sale and purchase. if you want to sell something like your plot, your house, your shop, or you want to buy all these things, at that time you will write the advertisement under the heading either for sale or for purchase. The next one, lost and found. Lost and found. If you have lost something or you have found something, at that time you have to write the advertisement under such type of category. Next one is travels and tours. Travels and tours. This type of advertisements are regarding the travels and tours. Next one is obituary. Obituary type of advertisements are those which are written when somebody passes away. And the next one is matrimonials. Matrimonials, it means groom wanted, bride wanted, related to wedding, I mean to say. Next one is educational. Next one is tuitions. Tuitions. Next one, yes dear student, situation vacant, situation wanted, accommodation wanted, to let, for sale and purchase, lost and found, travels and tours, obituary, matrimonials, educationals, and tuitions. So I mean, these classified advertisements are written under different headings, and we will discuss one by one in our coming videos. I will tell you about each and every one, how to write such type of advertisement, situation vacant. By giving an example, I will prove this idea of situation vacant, situation wanted, accommodation wanted, to let, for sale and purchase, lost and found, travels and tours, obituary, matrimonials and educational, and the last one is tuitions. There are many more. So dear student, this was something how to write an advertisement, especially how to write the classified advertisement, and what points should be taken into mind, what points should be keep in mind while writing such type of advertisements. So dear students, that's all for today. Thanks and have a nice day.